This is how you're going to use Apollo.ai for job search. Apollo is not just for sales. You can use it to find the email of the person hiring for your dream job. So here are the steps in order for you to do this. So what you're going to do is you're going to use the search bar to look for a specific company. But before that, we're going to head over to the left side panel right here, and then you'll be able to see this prospect and enrich. Now you're going to click on this so that this menu will appear, and then you're going to select company from the list. Now from the company page, you're going to filter by job title. By going into this another left sidebar, you're going to scroll down until you find this job postings right here. Now you're just going to click on that, and then you will be able to see like hiring manager, HR, all that stuff. And then once you find the company that you want to apply for, you can just click on access email to get their contact info, and then use that to send a direct personalized message instead of just applying through a job portal. And that's it. However, one thing to take note though is that you have to start a trial or upgrade to search for people and companies based on the title and amount of jobs that they are hiring for, so that you can gain insight into what initiatives may be relevant to them. And that's it. That is how you're going to use Apollo.ai for a job search. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you have more questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below.